Hi, girls.
Hello.
What can I do for you?
Well, we were just wondering if we could get an autograph.
Well, take a selfie.
That would be beauty.
Yep.
Cheese.
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 Again, change
Everyone
phones.
focusing. Cheese.
Cheese. Bye.
Another satisfied fan.
Spreading love across northern Saskatchewan, wherever we go. Alberta Island, across the prairies, the lakes to Ontario shores. See the breakers roll off the stone coast of Labrador. Now Lake the Stormy, Great Lakes to come. I haven't heard that song since school.
Got no brake light.
Mike, you got no brake
How
light.
about turn signals?
Try the brakes now. Brakes?
They're working, no brakes.
We get another check.
That's okay, I got brakes. Must have blown a fuse. I see.
Maybe it's because of
When
that.
we fuel up next time, I'll check them. Thanks. Man, it could have blown the brake
Yes,
lights.
it could have been. We have no brake. So you're saying we could have no brakes for the last 5 days, and we could have
Brake
been
lights.
rear-ended.
Brake lights.
Yes, but we could have been rear-ended.
Yeah, but I'm highly visible.
You're highly something.
Part source.
What are we doing, Mike?
We're getting some high zinc oil for the old 327, just cause they like it better.
We're gonna see how much metal is in the oil.
Will be well when they pull
Just
the
park
thing.
in the
we can
middle
look
of
at
this.
the magnet.
And we're at Part Source.
Yes.
The parts, the pros, the price, Mike.
There we go. Let's see if they'll give us a deal. You might take a picture of your store and post it. Who's the boss?
I get it for free.
Yeah, I should get it for free. Everybody else gives me free shit, not you guys.
What kind? What make?
It's a 66 Chev 327. Got some Castrol Classic 2050. I was hoping for Lucas 1030, but let me just phone my engine guy and make sure. We'll phone Todd. Todd, technical question. Okay, we're in Saskatoon. We're going to give her an oil change. Nobody's got classic oil except Castrol. I mean, putting 2050 in it won't hurt, will it?
No, nothing at
Just
all.
because it's hot.
Not at all.
Yeah, okay, I mean,
You
I...
can even technically use diesel oil like Rotella 1540.
Yep. Whatever, they've got the Castrol high zinc, so I'm going to run it.
Yeah, no, it'll be fine.
Okay, so now we're just trying to find a filter.
Yeah, you should have thrown some of those.
I know, I bought 4 and I was a moron.
Oh, they could do the oil change here, maybe.
Hey guys.
Could-
I heard your comment, so I dug through some and
Plus 5 horsepower. OCD, obsessive car disorder, okay. Race it, break it, fix it, repeat. Yeah, sounds like my buddies. Maybe too old, but I gotta drive all the cool cars. Hey, I can afford it. I'm not fat, I just have a big... That's your favorite one, right? It's not leaking oil, it's sweating power. Thanks a lot, man, appreciate it.
Cheese.
Stressing them out.
Stop talking. Cheese. Cheese. There you go.
We didn't get a chassis, but
Oh, you guys sold one though? Yeah, we went. We did a tour there a few months ago. It was awesome.
look at my poor rad, only we wiped out entire species.
that's typical of Saskatchewan.
No
Jesus, Michael.
I know. Why didn't I bring my filters?
Why don't you bring your clothes?
Hello? Tell me you got an old canister filter for 327 Chev.
327 Chev.
1966. Right, it's not a screw on, it goes like a cartridge.
Yeah, unlikely that I have one of those.
We might not be doing an oil change until Winnipeg at this rate.
Vince speaking, what can I do for you?
Vance, would you guys happen to have a couple of old canister filters for a 66 327 cartridge?
Like oil filters?
Yes.
What's the name?
a 60. The motor's out of a 66 Chevelle, but it's in a Impala, but it's in a 64 Chevelle. So that's what the oil filter canister's out of, but I need a cartridge filter. Old school shit.
Yeah, I've got one here. It's 1477 plus tax.
Okay, do you got one or do you got more than one?
Sorry?
Do you have more than one?
I have one in stock. Let's see if I got one on Winnipeg.
Oh, that was only okay. And
Yeah, if not, I can have them ordered to
we'll,
come back.
we'll be there in, how far away are we? 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Okay, give me a sec. I'm just going to make sure it's on the shelf. But this is, I've only got one.
Okay, yeah. I've been lied to before by Napa. Okay, we'll see you shortly. Thanks, man. And we're off.
Thank you so
Okay,
much. Do you have a
thank
phone
you
with a
very
little pic?
Yeah, sure.
Cheese. Great.
Okay, thanks, man. Have a great day.
Have a good one, man. Take care. Yeah, be well. Yeah, see you later. Through the Saskatchewan and Saskatoon, headed to close to Winnipeg. Oh, we just went over the curb. Ah,
No, we didn't.
yes, you did.
You're such a whiner.
You're a big time winner.
You used to be a winner, now you're just a wiener and a whiner.
And the beating
The
shall
abuse continue until morale improves.
the beating shall continue until morale improves.
Okay, what do you got for, you got the Armor All ceramic glass cleaner?
Mr. Mike.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Kevin, I'm store manager.
Good. Thought we want some free Actually, we just got sponsored by Lordco, but they said you guys buy from them.
We do, yeah.
So we told them, so I said, so is it okay if we go into a Napa or something?
Yeah.
Because there's no Lordcos in Saskatchewan. So.
No, there's no Lord goes out here.
Tell me you're in Canada without telling me you're in Canada.
Michael.
Oh man. Okay,
What
10
is
second
this?
rule. 10
Like-
second rule. You better not have done anything dirty on the floor there.
Your car.
I can't believe you just did that.
Well, excuse me?
Oh, here, okay. What?
You left your wallet there.
No, I just did that when we got out.
Sure.
Yeah,
Do you-
No, you did. He was looking for the register.
Oh, I know, but what he does is he forgets about it.
that's right. Then we drive off.
And then his
Somebody
ways
already found it. Where'd they find
outside
it?
the movie theater.
In where? Where'd we stay that night?
Red Deer? No.
Calgary?
Calgary. Yeah, Calgary. So, yes.
Nice to meet you. Where are you guys from?
Nice. Oh, we're from Belgium.
Oh, Belgium.
We watched the show, man. I mean, you know, what a coincidence. This is just great. This is just great. Running into you. We were at the shop and you weren't there, and now we run into you.
In the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere.
Russell, Manitoba.
I mean, this is, wow, awesome. Awesome.
Some things were meant to be.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, pleasure meeting you guys.
Pleasure meeting you.
We got to grab a room and something to eat and go to bed. We're actually going to Winnipeg tomorrow. My mom's last remaining sister's there, last member of her family. She's 91, so I want to take her for a drive, take her for lunch, and probably last time I see her. So I don't get out this way. It's a long way from BC to Manitoba, too.
Oh,
so.
yeah.
Not like driving across Europe. You can do it in one day.
Well,
Maybe 2 days.
maybe 2 days. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Canada's about 5 or 6 if you give her, so.
But BC's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
It
so
is
is Northern
so
Alberta.
beautiful.
It's just a different
It
beauty.
is. Wow. It was like, you know, that drive. It was so beautiful.
Well, I lived there for the last 60 years, so I'm kind of spoiled.